Hi, this is the installation video for the Evans Motorsport Performance 2P side skirts that fit 15 and up Mustangs except Shelby models. Here we have 11 mounting holes and 2 slots on each side of the side skirts for you to decide how far in or out you want it, that use these stainless steel blackhead screws with these 10 lock washers. Back here on the farthest back piece of the side skirts in front of the rear wheel, we have this slot that uses a screw that's already in the stock rocker. These side skirts are made out of 1/8 inch aluminum powder coated matte black to have long lasting durability and good looks. You can hit it with a hammer and it'd be fine. Sort of. So let's get right to the install.
Make sure you follow all the safety precautions when lifting your vehicle. You want to be on a flat surface with your parking brake on, transmission in park or in first or reverse for manuals, and some chocks around your wheels. Then you'll need to get out your T20 star bit and remove this stock screw in the rocker panel in front of the rear tire. Keep that screw you just removed handy, since it'll be going right back in through the slot by the notch in the rear side skirt. This helps to position the skirt correctly. Don't tighten the screw all the way yet. With the screw left slightly loose, the skirt can still be adjusted. While holding the rear side skirt in the position you want it, install one of the supplied screws and lock washers in the center of the slot so you have in and out adjustability of the side skirt. Leave this screw slightly loose as well. Push in or pull out on the side skirt to set your desired offset from the edge of the rocker. Make sure you're holding the skirt flush with the bottom of the rocker. You may need to tighten the screws a bit more if skirt is hanging down too far. Measure the front and rear distance from rocker edge to skirt edge to ensure the skirt is straight and still where you want it. Hold the skirt in place and hand tighten the screws in the slots just enough to hold in place, but not fully tightened yet. You'll want to double check your measurements to make sure the skirt is still in the right place. The skirt can move around a bit when the screws get tightened. Once you're doubly sure the skirt is in that perfect position, go ahead and install screws and lock washers in the 3 remaining mounting holes, but keep them loose. Now go back and hand tighten all the screws, being careful to not over tighten and potentially strip out the holes in the rocker. There should be little to no gap between the skirt and the rocker, and the skirt held firmly in place. Now that the first rear side skirt is installed, you can move on to the front. Hold the front side skirt in place so you can measure and put it at the same distance from the edge of the rocker as the rear skirt. You'll also want to be sure the front edge of the skirt lines up with the front edge of the rocker. Install the first screw and lock washer into the middle of the first slot, leaving it slightly loose. Remeasure to make sure the skirt is in the right position, then install a screw and lock washer into the other slot, leaving them slightly loose as well so any final adjustments can be made. Measure again to be really sure the skirt is exactly where you want it, then go ahead and install screws and lock washers in the 4 remaining mounting holes, leaving those loose as well. Grab that hand screwdriver and tighten all the screws. Remember to make sure there's little to no gap between the skirt and the rocker, but don't over-tighten the screws and risk stripping out the holes in the rocker. You've finished the first side and it's looking great, so now repeat for the other side, and we hope you visit us again for more weapons grade mods for your Mustang.